The idea of Hospitality Week is to immerse the students in industry. So we're trying to marry industry with the school level.
I really like the creative behind it and the skills as well.
I'd probably like to end up running a cafe when I'm older, along the beach somewhere.
Luke Mangan coming in was absolutely fantastic.
I think the students have been able to pick up some really great skills throughout the whole long lunch process.
The best bit about this week was seeing the people when I greet them, their faces smile.
If you want to be a great chef or just love what you do, like I do, just get up and have a crack.